let's try this again. I got the green light, the green flag. Come on, Dennis, pull that cold door, son. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, do that on white up. Get that other horse there. It's a 7 year. 253 feet 3 inches. All right, here we go. Hang on, man. I don't want you to fall out. Yeah. Look at that little deal. Oh, he's going to fall. Hang on, man. Man, don't fall out. Look at that boy, bud. What do you think about that? 464 feet 9 inches. All right. That last pull there, Dennis Davis, has been the farthest pull so far ever on this track. Come on, let's see what you got that old back, Jeremy. 318 feet 5 inches, ladies and gentlemen. Sponsored by City Hendrix. Come on, let her go. That's what you call good old-fashioned gear jamming right there. 331 feet 9 inches. Don Rose got a race seat on high. Come on, people, cheer him on. Let's go. Come on, man. See you at the bus stop. .308 feet 2 inches. Show what that banana truck will do, son. Come on, make some noise. Let's hit roll down, Gibber. Put it down the road, buddy. Yes, sir. Steve won't see you tomorrow. Oh, still, look, he's going. Come on, Dale, pull the cold door. Don't you quit now, bud. Don't you quit, come on. Cheryl Driggs, ladies and gentlemen, 453 feet 6 inches. How to go, son? Put that here and let's go down the road. Come on, let's go with you down, old boy. Ladies and gentlemen, how about that? That thing right back. .217 feet 9 inches. 217.9. Up here. Ladies and gentlemen, how about that? 194 feet 5 inches.